Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Paddletek Bantam TS5. The Onix Graphite Z5 Pickleball paddle is designed for players who prioritize power, control, and comfort in their game. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber surface, the paddle offers excellent ball control while maintaining a lightweight feel for fast reactions. The Graphite Z5 is engineered to provide a great balance between power and touch, making it suitable for both aggressive and strategic players. The cushion comfort grip adds an extra layer of comfort, reducing vibrations during play and allowing players to maintain a firm but comfortable hold on the paddle. This feature minimizes the risk of fatigue and hand strain, making it ideal for long matches or extended play sessions. The paddle's core utilizes Nomex material, known for its durability and stiffness, which enhances power and ball response. This Nomex core provides excellent sound feedback, contributing to a satisfying playing experience. The combination of the graphite surface and Nomex core provides a high level of control, ensuring that players can generate both spin and speed with ease. In addition to its performance features, the Onix Graphite Z5 is designed for players of all levels, offering a wide sweet spot that increases the margin for error, making it an ideal choice for both beginners and advanced players looking for consistent results. Its aerodynamic shape promotes quicker reactions, further enhancing its usability in fast-paced games. Overall, the Onix Graphite Z5 Pickleball paddle is a high-performance option that combines durability, control, comfort, and power, making it a top choice for players looking to elevate their game. Its innovative design, along with the cushion comfort grip, ensures that players can enjoy a well-rounded pickleball experience on the court. Number 2. Selkirk Latitude. This pickleball paddle set features USAPA-approved paddles, designed for both men and women. The paddles are crafted with a fiberglass surface, which offers a lightweight and durable build, ideal for players seeking good control and power in their game. The fiberglass material ensures a solid feel on impact while maintaining a responsive touch for both soft shots and powerful smashes. The set typically includes 2 paddles and a set of pickleballs, making it a complete package for recreational play or practice sessions. With USAPA approval, the paddles meet the standards for tournament play, offering consistent performance on the court. The ergonomic handle design ensures a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended play. The handles are often cushioned or ribbed, allowing for a secure hold and minimizing vibrations, which is crucial for maintaining accuracy and control during fast-paced exchanges. In addition to being perfect for players of all skill levels, the paddle's fiberglass surface is designed to enhance spin and ball control, making it easier to execute various shots such as dinks, volleying, and topspin drives. The paddle's balance offers a great combination of maneuverability and stability, allowing players to make quick adjustments during the game. This pickleball paddle set is a great choice for anyone looking for reliable, high-quality paddles suitable for casual games or more competitive play. The paddles offer excellent value for the price, providing durability, performance, and comfort in a simple yet effective design. Number 3. Onix Z5 Graphite. The Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle offers an excellent entry-level package for players looking for high-quality gear. This bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 carrying bag, providing everything needed for a fun and competitive game. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face with a polymer rev core that ensures a lightweight yet durable build. The graphite face enhances the paddle's control and spin potential, making it easier for players to execute precise shots, while the polymer rev core technology provides a balance of power and softness on impact, improving the overall feel during play. This combination is perfect for both beginners and intermediate players who want to develop their skills. Designed in the USA, the paddles are crafted for comfort and performance. The ergonomic grip ensures a secure and comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue during extended play sessions. The paddle shape is designed to maximize sweet spot coverage, improving shot accuracy and consistency. The bundle includes 3 pickleballs, which are durable and suitable for both indoor and outdoor play. The carrying bag is compact and practical, making it easy to transport and store your paddles and balls while keeping everything organized. Overall, the Selkirk Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an ideal choice for those starting out or looking to upgrade their equipment. It provides reliable performance, comfortable play, and great value, allowing players to enjoy the game while improving their skills. Number 4. MTEN Fiberglass Paddle. The Selkirk Sport SLK Halo series offers a range of high-performance pickleball paddles, including the Control, Power, and Pro models, each designed to optimize your game with superior technology and innovative design. These paddles feature Halo carbon fiber faces combined with the RevCore Power polymer core, a combination that enhances both spin and control for consistent play. The Halo carbon fiber face provides exceptional durability while offering a responsive feel, allowing players to generate significant spin on their shots. Whether you're executing topspin or slices, the carbon fiber face enhances ball control and ensures that your shots are more accurate and effective. The RevCore Power polymer core further enhances the paddle's overall performance, offering a balance of power and softness for a versatile experience, whether you're looking for powerful smashes or more controlled shots. These paddles are designed for a variety of play styles. The Control model prioritizes touch and precision, allowing players to finesse their shots with ease. The Power model focuses on maximizing shot power, making it ideal for aggressive players who like to dominate with fast and powerful strokes. The Pro model blends both control and power, offering an all-around option for players who want to balance both aspects in their game. In terms of comfort, the paddles feature an ergonomic grip that reduces vibration and provides a comfortable hold, ensuring minimal hand fatigue during extended play. The SLK Halo paddles are designed for players who seek ultimate spin, consistency, and performance, making them ideal for players of all levels aiming to elevate their game. Number 5. Joola Essential Pickleball. The Joola Stratos and Essentials pickleball paddles are designed for players looking for durability, comfort, and performance at an affordable price. These paddles are USAPA approved, making them suitable for official tournaments and recreational play. Both paddles feature a reinforced fiberglass surface, which provides a smooth yet responsive feel, enhancing the paddle's ability to generate spin and control during play. The fiberglass surface ensures that the paddle offers a solid touch, while also being lightweight enough for extended gameplay without causing fatigue. The honeycomb polypropylene core is another key feature that enhances the paddle's performance. This core structure offers a perfect balance of power and control, allowing players to make both aggressive shots and delicate returns with ease. The polypropylene honeycomb core also contributes to a quieter playing experience, absorbing vibrations and reducing noise on contact with the ball, which is ideal for indoor environments or those who prefer a more controlled sound. The paddles are also designed with beginner-friendly characteristics, providing a forgiving surface for new players. This makes them a great option for those just starting out, as the paddle's responsive feel and lightweight help players learn the game more easily. The comfortable grip ensures that players can hold the paddle for long periods without experiencing discomfort or hand fatigue, even during extended sessions. Overall, the Joola Stratos and Essentials paddles are an excellent choice for players of all skill levels, offering a durable, beginner-friendly design that ensures solid performance and a comfortable playing experience.